whoever's in India, just give the exam clear in your home country, not just come Australia and then find it, because it's very hard.
So how did you come to know about Academically, Krina?
Without academically, I don't think am I able to clear this exam. Or
So like how much time did it take you to prepare for the exam? Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Academically. Today, as you all know, we are extremely delighted as the CAPS result for July 2024 are out, and our students has obviously outdone themselves. Today, we have with us Krina, our successful student who has cleared her CAPS exam 2024. So, thank you so much for joining us today, Krina. And there are a lot of CAPS aspirants out there for whom your story is going to be inspirational, and that is the whole idea of keeping this interview. So first of all, many congratulations from team Academically.
thank you so much for helping throughout my process.
So how
And
are you feeling right now, Krina? Please tell us about yourself. Like, what is your family background? What have you done till now? Were you
yes,
also working? Just tell us about yourself.
first of all, my name is Krina Patel. In 2022, I just finished my Bachelor of Pharmacy. I'm from India. And then, like in March 2023, I came here, Australia. And then I am on like a Master of Public Health right now. And I just asked the Dr. Akram Ahmad that which process would be better, because when I came here, everyone said just the change your course to Master of Nursing. So I just bit confused. What should I do? Then I just talked with Dr. Akram Ahmad, and he explained all the process. And then yeah, suddenly I just joined your classes, done my skill assessment, and then yeah.
Yeah, that's great. So was this your first attempt?
No, that's the second one.
Second attempt. So,
Yeah.
so you have been living in Australia, as you said. So, can you tell
Yeah.
us a little life about Australia? How is the life in Australia?
It's so hectic, so hectic.
Yeah,
Like jobs and universities, so hectic.
yeah. But I mean, the whole idea of going to Australia was to, just give your best, do your best, and, get a proper job. So now that you
Yes.
have cleared your CAPS exam, would you like to tell tell the aspiring students any tricks, any techniques that, they should keep in mind before giving the exam?
Yes, I just give one suggestion that whoever's in India, just give the exam clear in your home country, not just come Australia and then find it, because it's very hard. Because it's the management of time. It's very crucial here.
Right.
Yes.
So, how did you come to know about Academically, Krina?
When I was in third year of my Bachelor of Pharmacy, I
Yeah.
just watched Akram sir videos, and
Okay.
then I know that this easy exam, not like hard. But if you're doing by yourself, like reading whole books, and then you like feel it's a bit hard. But when you
Right.
just join the coaching, then it's easy for you. Yeah.
Definitely. That's what
Yes.
we are here for. We always want. So, would you also like to tell us that what role did Academically play in your journey?
Academically is like life saving. Because without academically, I don't think am I able to clear this exam. Or
Right.
but yeah, academically, like for syllabus, it's very narrow. When we
Yeah.
saw in a website, APC website, we think like it's too much. But when I saw join your classes and then start the preparation, I feel it's a bit easy rather
Right.
than just reading the books. Yeah.
Yes. So, like, how much time did it take you to prepare for the exam? मतलब आपको पूरे हर दिन कितने घंटे देते थे? कितने महीने आपने preparation किया? Can you just give us a little hint about that?
When I was give my first attempt last November, that time I just prepared 20 days. I
Okay.
just whole days, like 13 to 14 hours per day. But in this attempt, I just break 1 week only.
Okay, just with the preparation
Fun.
of 1 week.
Yes.
Okay,
Fun.
that's amazing. That's really
Yeah.
great. So now, coming to my last question from you, Krina, that any final words that you would like to say about Academically and our team?
I just say that I'm just grateful for you guys, because it's really great coaching center. I prefer this center. All the students, whoever asking me that he wants to give the exam, I
Right.
just prefer this coaching. It's really helped me.
Thank you so much. And, we also really appreciate your hard work, your patience. And, I'm sure that whosoever is watching us will definitely get inspired by you. And, you are already in Australia living your life. So I'm sure you are going to get a very good job. So
Opportunities.
all the very best, all the very best. And many, many
Yes.
congratulations once again to you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Krina. I wish you all the very best. I hope you have an amazing life in Australia ahead. Thank you.
Thank you.